Welcome to Guided Mastery. This meditation is dedicated to beginners who are just beginning their meditation journey. Today we'll explore the calming embrace of mindfulness through simple breathing techniques. Find a comfortable, quiet space where you can sit down or lie down, and let's begin this journey towards tranquility. Start by settling into a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a moment to connect with your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs, and exhale slowly through your mouth, letting go of any tension. Feel the gentle rhythm of your breath. Bring awareness to each part of your body. Notice any areas of tension and consciously release them. Begin with your toes, gradually moving up through your legs, torso, arms, and all the way to the crown of your head. Let go of the day's stress and embrace this present moment. Shift your attention to your breath. Feel the natural flow of each inhalation and exhalation. As thoughts arise, gently guide your focus back to the sensation of your breath. Inhale serenity, exhale stress. Let your breath be your anchor in this moment. Let's practice a simple breathing technique called square breathing. Inhale for a count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 4. Exhale for 4 and pause for another 4 counts. Repeat this pattern, allowing each breath to create a sense of calm and balance. Imagine a soft golden light surrounding you with each inhalation, bringing a sense of warmth and peace. As you exhale, visualize releasing any doubts or worries. With each breath, feel the gentle expansion of relaxation filling your entire body. Take a moment to recognize the importance of meditation in your life. It's a gift that you give yourself, a moment to pause, to connect, and find stillness amid life's hustle and bustle. In this practice, you cultivate a sanctuary within that is always accessible whenever you need it. As we conclude this beginner's meditation, Gradually bring your awareness back to the present, wiggling your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Carry the serenity of this practice with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you found value in this meditation, please like, comment, subscribe, and share with others who might also benefit. And remember, your meditation journey is unique, and each moment you spend in mindfulness is a step towards a more peaceful and balanced life.